Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir just 7 days ago, to be precise on May 25th of this year, and we were at this very point when the price was at around $123.31, and one of my main counts was that we've completed the first wave of the fifth wave of a bigger scale wave, and we've completed the first wave on a smaller scale, and we have to see the movement to the third wave, fourth and fifth. And guys, take a look right here. Wait a second, let's zoom out to, let's say, hourly time frame or 3 hours time frame, and let me show you this in details. So we were at 123 somewhere here dollars mark, and since I made my previous video, this asset went sideways, and for now guys, with the last trading session it had a substantial increase in volume, and the price action also confirms that potentially we are about to see its breakout. And guys, all the technical details I will show you in a minute, but for now, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And for now guys, I have 3 tiers. It is Discord access tier, Safe Haven and Gold tier. And if you want to just be in line with all the latest news and with the most recent actions and potential upcoming actions of the US stock market, it is more than enough to join just Discord access. If you want me to cover your personal position, and if you want me to create a plan for you to invest in stock market, Safe Haven is for you. The only difference in between these 2 tiers is that on Safe Haven tier you will have a monthly 30-minute Zoom call session with me. And the Gold tier is for people who want to take the most from my experience and from my knowledge. And in this tier you will have a 30 minutes weekly Zoom call with me, where I will teach you how to beat the market. On top of that guys, for the members of this tier, I will give my personal signals where to enter and where to leave the position. I will do it when market conditions are more predictable for swing positions. So, and let me give you a sneak peek on the Discord group. You can see that I publish a lot of updates on the market, and as you can see, I even make predictions of its upcoming movements, and if you follow my channel for quite some time, you know that I have a very high level of experience in this type of trades. And guys, in this Discord group I explain a lot to my patrons, and I do a lot of technical analysis on demand on different assets. Here is the general sentiment of the market on April the 10th. Here is INTC, ISRG, here is JDR, KLB, MSTR, and other ticker symbols. You can see that I do it pretty much 2 or 3 times a week, and all of my community members know how to benefit out of these market conditions.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's zoom out even further. Let's switch to daily time frame, and you know that if you follow my channel for quite some time, you know that I cover this asset for a long period of time, basically from its prices below 20 and even $10 mark. And I also hold a long-term position on Palantir. My average price is less than $15. And I don't want to sell my position because Palantir is extremely bullish. I will show you all the details within just several minutes, but for now let's take a look at its fundamentals. And first of all, I want to pay attention to the consensus analyst price target. As you can see, it's set at roughly $100, which is about 24% of downside potential from our current price. And guys, on the one hand, it is not the best forecast for the next 12 months, but you have to keep in mind that Palantir is extremely high growing company, and because of these guys, take a look at the so-called smart money investors list. You can see that the highest level ever for institutional ownership of Palantir stock was achieved basically last month, and we have a consistent growth in this parameter despite the fluctuations in Palantir price, and this is a very bullish long-term sign. On top of that, guys, if you take a look right here, you will find that yes, some companies reduce their position, they book some profit, and it is quite obvious, but some companies added to their huge position. And for example, T. Rowe Price Diversified Mid-Cap Growth Fund added 7.6% to its huge position, and they hold almost $160 million in Palantir. And in general, guys, green rows indicate new positions, completely new positions. And as you can see, we have more green rows than red ones. And this means the sentiment from the so-called smart money investors list is still bullish. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. We are on our Nitrezi Twitter account, and he's a long-term bull on Palantir. And he, from time to time, he published some interesting updates related to Palantir directly. And just a couple of days ago, he wrote this: Palantir makes Fannie Mae 500x faster. And here is the official statement of Palantir that they published on their Palantir Tech Twitter account on May 28th. What once took Fannie Mae 60 days to investigate, Palantir software achieved in seconds. We are proud to partner with Fannie Mae to help support and secure the American dream. And guys, how cool is that? They can do their work with extremely high velocity, and definitely it improves their effectiveness, and Palantir benefit as a partner of this, as a supplier of this tool. On top of that, on May 29th, our Nitrezi wrote this: Palantir officially partners with Ecuador government. And again, he refers to the official statement of Palantir Technologies. And guys, to be honest, we have more and more evidence that Palantir has an extremely high potential on the market. But take a look right here. If I switch to 15 minutes time frame, and if I show you the last trading session of Palantir, you can see that on May the 30th, it was extremely high volatile day. From the very beginning of trading session, it went up by 7.2%, and then it dropped by about 6.3%, and again it went up by 7% as well. It is not the most, I would say, the healthiest movement. Potentially it was some kind of huge news that originally was published, then it was cancelled, and again it was published again. And I think the news was right here. You can find it again on our Nitrezi Twitter account. He reposted the tweet of Amit that he wrote on May the 30th. The New York Times tried to publish a hit piece on Palantir. But in doing so, they also showed how many contracts the company is winning in this administration. People saw $1 billion of new contracts and ignored the opinionated part of the article. LOL. Palantir made 5% today. So, and yes, this might be the reason of its highly volatile day. And for now, as you can see, guys, on the pre-market hours, Palantir is down by 1.71%. I have to admit that, well, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Guys, I have to admit that Palantir with this movement, with this Friday's movement, is scratching its all-time high again, and we had the top of our previous wave right here. Let me show you that potentially it is the top of our first wave, of the fifth wave on a bigger scale. And this is nothing else but the 1-2 waves on a smaller scale of the fifth wave. And yes, it sounds a little bit confusing for you, but in general, guys, technical analysis in general and Elliott wave theory in particular is a very powerful tool which can give you more details about the current price action, and that can give you a blueprint of the upcoming movements. So guys, in my previous video I told you that we have several invalidation points. First of all, it should break, in order to confirm the uptrend, it should break the top of this wave. And another potential breakdown that I had on the table back in the days was the ABC correction. Let me show you like this. It was a potential A wave, B wave, and C wave. And because of this quite high level of the B wave, I didn't didn't expect the lowest levels for C-wave. But this potential upcoming breakout, if it happens, guys, it will invalidate more direct bearish counts, and it will open the door, let me show you, to the price target that I also mentioned in my previous video. It is $214, and previously, guys, I also showed you the price target on a bigger scale, and it was set in between $152 and $243. And I told you, when I see the structure of its movement to the upside from this lowest point, I can project more precise price target. And here it is, guys. The precise price target for Palantir is $214.38. If let me show you in details. If first of all this bottom holds, and if it has a breakout above the $131 mark, and this breakout should be followed by the substantial volume. For now we have this volume, and we have to just wait till this confirmation happens. When it happens, guys, this is the price target, medium-term price target that potentially Palantir might hit within next several weeks or 1.5 months at most. That is why, guys, I'm still bullish on Palantir, and for now you can see that my forecast in the majority of cases is 100% correct. That is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.